Welcome to the channel. With over 100 million channels on YouTube, many are ghost towns. Let's explore what successful creators do differently. The numbers are staggering. Over 100 million channels exist, yet 90% never hit 1,000 subscribers. Less than 6% earn a single dollar, and only 0.5% reach a million subs. 3 dangerous assumptions can derail creators. Believing one viral video changes everything, expecting quick monetization, and thinking the process is straightforward. YouTube is a craft, not a lottery. It's a long-term skill-building journey, not a quick cash grab. Start uploading because you genuinely want to create something valuable. Persistence is the real shortcut. Your first channel probably won't be your last, and quitting early means you'll never know your true potential. Information without implementation equals nothing. Watching tutorials is useless if you don't apply what you learn. Test advice immediately to see results. Master the fundamentals first. Stop chasing originality, focus on your niche, and direct your energy wisely. These elements drive your channel's performance. Consistency is about repetition, not schedules. Improve through editing, storytelling, and on-camera presence by showing up consistently. Don't treat your niche like a life sentence. Sometimes pivoting is a strength, not a failure, especially if your niche is too narrow or oversaturated. The gap between struggling and top creators is mindset, not talent. Focus on mindset, patience, and a willingness to improve without immediate proof.